Teddy Beats.
Old MacDonald had a zoo, and in that zoo, the wild grew too. With a roar, roar here, and a roar, roar there, he had a lion with golden hair. Old MacDonald laughed with glee, monkeys swinging from every tree. With an ooh, ooh here, and an ah, ah there, they tossed bananas through the air. Next came penguins sliding fast across the ice, they zoomed right past. With a waddle, waddle here, and a flap, flap there, they danced like snowflakes everywhere. A tall giraffe peeped through the gate, nibbling leaves off farmer's plate. With a munch, munch here, and a choo-choo there, he stretched his neck up in the air. Then came zebras, black and white, tapping hooves in pure delight. With a clip-clop here, and a zoom-zoom there, they ran in stripes from here to there. Tigers, hippos, kangaroos, all joined in with stomps and boos. With a hop, hop here, and a splash, splash there, they made wild music everywhere. Old MacDonald sang his tune beneath the stars and jungle moon. With animal friends from far and wide, it was the best zoo ride of his life.